Topic 6, Forces 2, Part 1, Moment, which means the turning effect of a force. In Topic 5, we already looked at 3 effects of a force: changing the shape of an object, changing the motion of an object, changing the direction of motion of an object. Here, a force can be used to turn an object. The spanner here is being used to tighten this bolt here by applying a turning effect. Turning effect of a force 1. Here's a lever pivoted here. It can turn about here. Then we have a force applied there. With that distance being fixed, then the bigger this force is, the greater is the turning effect. Turning effect of a force 2. With the size of the force being fixed, then the further away the force is from the pivot, the greater is the turning effect. And the formula for the moment or the turning effect of the force is equal to force times the distance, which is the distance between the pivot and the force. Here is a simple example. This is a lever pivoted here, and a force of 50 newtons applied there. And the perpendicular distance between the pivot and the force applied is 0.8 meters. Just apply the formula here, there. Make sure everything is in SI units. Force in newtons, distance in meters, and the answer is 40 Newton meter. So the unit for moment or the turning effect of force is Newton meter, which is quite easy to figure out, because when you look at this formula here, force is measured in newtons, distance measured in meters, so it's Newton meter. Here is another example for you to look at. What happens when you have more than one force being applied to the same lever? Here you have 2 forces. What do you do? What you do is you work out the turning effect of each force separately and then add the 2 moments together. Try it first and then check your answer against the answer on the next slide. These are the answers in detail.